Hello friends. Today I am going to teach you how to fix AOL Mail not working problems in a smooth way. So let's start without wasting any time. AOL Mail not working now? Solve AOL interruption in few moments. In this guide, we are sharing some simple troubleshooting guidelines that can help you to fix the AOL Mail not working problem. Carefully follow the troubleshooting steps and fix the AOL issues in no time. There can be numerous problems with multiple reasons preventing you from accessing or operating your AOL Mail account. In this guide, you will learn about some of the most common problems that generally avert AOL Mail from working as usual. Following are the common problems with their solutions you can refer to as per your requirement. 1. AOL Mail down or slow but not working. If you AOL Mail down or responding slow, follow these instructions. Try restarting your computer before accessing your AOL Mail account. Try accessing your account via a different browser. Clear the cache, cookies and browser history of your web browser. Disable pop-up blocking software. Make sure your antivirus software is not causing trouble with the browser on which you are trying to access your AOL Mail account. If this seems to be the case, you can make an exception for the web browser.
2. AOL Mail sign-in problem. If you are unable to sign in AOL Mail account, it could be either you are entering the wrong credential, or your account might have been hacked by someone. In such a case, you can follow these steps to fix the problem. 1. Go to the link AOL.com and click Login or Join option to get to the AOL login page. 2. On the sign-in page, enter your username, click Next. On the next screen, you will be asked to enter your account's password. Here, you will need to click on the I forgot my password option. 3. On the next screen, you will need to first verify yourself as the rightful owner of the account by using the different options available. You will get the following list of options for verification.
Verification via recovery phone number. Verification via recovery email address. Verification via answering security question. 4. Once you complete this verification process, you will be able to access your account. 3. Unable to send email from AOL Mail account. If you are having trouble sending the email from your AOL Mail account, you can try these suggestions to get rid of the problem. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Log out of your AOL Mail account and restart your computer. Then, sign into your account. Try using a different web browser. Using an old or outdated web browser can cause such errors sometimes, so make sure you are using the latest version of web browser. Make sure there is no combination of AOL in your display name, as the email will not be able to go. Make sure your web browser's pop-up blocker is not preventing AOL from sending an email. Try disabling it before sending an email to check. Keep your web browser clear from cache, cookies and browser history before sending an email. A firewall can also be the reason that would be preventing you from sending an email. Try disabling it to see if it's the problem. 4. Seeing image challenges when sending mail. AOL is known for using image challenges or CAPTCHA in order to keep your account secure against hackers. As the characteristics can't be read by a computer and need to be entered manually, it ensures that only an actual person can pass the test. So, when sending an email, if you see any such image challenges on your screen, you need to simply complete it in order to send your email successfully. 5. Images are not showing for mail recipients. If you are facing problems viewing images in some of the emails, you can try following suggestions to fix the problem. Make sure that you have enabled rich text or HTML in your mail settings page. If you have sent an image in a message, make sure that you download it first and then attach to the email you are sending. 6. Problem with third-party mail applications. If you are giving problem accessing your AOL Mail account on a third-party application, try fixing the issue with following suggestions to ensure that your email works fine when you need it. Update your password. If you changed your AOL Mail password recently, make sure to update the same in your email client as well. Check your IMAP or POP settings. If you are unable to send or receive an email in your AOL Mail account, make sure that your IMAP or POP settings are configured correctly. Update your email client application. If you are using an older version of email client application, you may have a different problem with your AOL Mail account. So, make sure to keep your email client up to date to keep your AOL Mail account working properly. So, these are some of the common AOL Mail problems with their solution for AOL Mail account.